Use the baking soda and the water. So we use this for the kidneys. You know, it helps lessen the acids affecting the kidneys. Okay, so this is what I use, the baking soda. Okay, it's called the Purest brand. Okay, and here's a glass of water. Okay, and here's a teaspoon. That's what I do. Usually I take probably less, but I'd like to aim for a teaspoon of it. Okay, it's not a heaping spoon, but I see it right here. Okay, you just put it in there and just stir it in. Okay, and drink it. Like this is good. It's good. Here we go. Cheers. Okay, so do this for like 2 weeks. You know, ever so often. It's a great way of alkalizing. And you know, the kidneys get damaged because acids and foods you're eating are hitting the kidneys, and we want to lessen it. And this helps. It's not a solution to everything. It's just a temporary relief, temporary way to get the kidneys better, okay, or healthier. But you gotta use the herbs. Remember the Fabulous 5, okay? You gotta use the herbs and you gotta use the teas, okay? And change the diet. That's how you get it better. You don't get it better by using this and only this alone.